Good morning. It's now 3 o'clock and I'm about to get out of bed. 4 a.m. and we're on our way to Connecticut.
Do we want to bring...
And it's at this moment I realized I was so tired I forgot to show you guys an outfit. So here's a selfie I took in the truck stop when we stopped to get coffee and tea. And let me just tell you, that tea you see right there took 20 minutes to get. It was such a long experience.
7.3 miles. Stay in the left 3 lanes. Good job.
Okay, so we made it to the train station. We have no idea where we're going. We're trying to find someone to ask for help, but we also are socially awkward, so we don't know what to do.
First time we don't just sit in a certain area, right? No, but we have to listen to every time it stops. Okay, it looks pretty cool.
Hi, voiceover Annie, popping in just to say this. So the two of us are both very much train newbies. So we got on the train and we wanted to find 2 seats. So we found 2 seats together and we sat down. We didn't really think about it. Come to find out, we were in a quiet section, so we got yelled at by the man in front of us to stop talking. There's no video of us like getting on the subway or going to the Friends event because we got on the subway at 8:11. We had no idea what we were doing. We had to get on the subway and then we had to walk from the subway to the Friends event, and we were both panicking. This is what the line to get in looks like. Not bad. This is the room that they push you into once you have checked in and they know you're supposed to actually be there. This sign's amazing. That's all.
Oh, there's a pole there.
Monica's sweating Chandler's. Come on in, guys. We're gonna spread it on out. Chandler, any Chandler.
How you doing? Yes, I love it. I love audience participation. This is great. What's Joey's favorite food? Sandwiches. Sandwiches.
So this is the actual first room you walk into with props and everything. You're first shuffled into one room that you just saw, but then you go through like this hallway, and then this is the first real room.
Spending a lot of time.
So they gave us this free mug at the end. I'll insert a video of like the whole mug. There is a logo on the back. But please enjoy this picture of my cat and a cookie that we got from a milkshake that I decided I was gonna take all the ways back to my house. This is the view from Bloomingdale's across the street. I would say it's pretty fitting, and this filter that came up, also pretty fitting. After wandering around Bloomingdale's and realizing we can't afford anything inside Bloomingdale's, we decided we were going to grab food, so we went to this restaurant that we saw had a Friends milkshake, and this is what it looked like. It also fell over really fast from being too top heavy, and I'm checking my timestamps on the photos taken, and the first photo of it all put together was taken at 11:58, and the picture of it kind of destroyed was taken at 12:01, so that's how fast it fell over. After being hyped up on sugar from that milkshake, we decided we were going to walk to the building they show from the outside perspective on Friends. And let me just tell you, we weren't the only one with that idea. There were so many people. After doing all that, we decided we were going to head home because we had a long trip home. But then we got lost. So this is me staring at the map, trying to figure out what's going to happen. And thank God we didn't run any later or get lost on the way to, because we arrived just in time. So we were fine. We just struggled.
I miss my bed.
Oh my god.
That I haven't seen since 3 a.m.
Ready?
Here we go.
The destination is on your right.
Wait for it.
37